So here begins day 2. Now to unload the car, put everything back on the trailer. Thankfully the car started up, so that's a good sign, good way to start the morning. Yeah, so basically just gonna unload everything out of the car, all our luggage we took in. All this is full of stuff, so need to get all this out, get on the trailer, hit up O'Reilly's to get some spark plugs, and probably some miscellaneous things. But quite a few people showed up after we did, so we showed up at about 9:20. All these cars right here showed up later, and there's a couple over there that showed up. Everybody's kind of just making sure everything's doing good, and then we'll be on the way. Coos Bay, I think the guy said it's like 10 minutes from where we came from, so should be interesting. This guy showed up after we did, so this is pretty cool. I see why this is addicting. This is the real real, like an Iron Man kind of event that you have to outlast everybody. Because the normal heads-up racing we used to do was go to the track, race, you blow it up, put it back in the trailer, and head home. This, you have to fix it and make it reliable. So, yeah, cooling system is a must, big alternator, and tons of spare parts. Because like obviously yesterday I had the #1 spark plug blow out, which when it blew out, it hit the inner fender well, and I thought the motor threw a rod, and it was like, oh, this is it, we're done. And then that's when I realized the plug flew out. So I'm gonna go pick up some new plugs and see what's going on. But yeah, let's see what today brings us. So here we are, day 2, Coos Bay. Pit's pretty packed. I think about 10 more cars dropped out overnight from brakes and who knows what. The truck over there broke down somewhere after the first pit stop. It's that red Willie, I think it's a gasser class car. Broke down last night like 9:30, but everybody's still cruising along. So just waiting for a class to get called up, still surviving, still slowly making it. Got some help from, I think it's a C10, or not C10, S10 over there. I forgot where they pitted, but everything's fixed in the car. Hopefully don't have any more issues. That's cool. Fairmont over there. You're fine. Lane's over there. Jeremy's over there. Fast guys. So car's all fixed. Let's hopefully just kind of doing a one and done. Make a pass as long as it's clean, then pack everything up, get on the road, and start heading to Woodburn. So definitely understand the one and done and get on the road, because after yesterday's chaos, I didn't want to have to get to the hotel. I think we turned in a 4-hour drive into 9 hours. So I just like to get on the road and keep plugging along. So we'll see what happens today. So just waiting for the class to get called.
On the left lane is entry 314. Joe Bloomberg from Queens Creek, Arizona, 1965 Ford Mustang. And entry 124 is Garrett
Victoria,
Vista.
Junior Street finalist, Victoria. Do you want to come up to lane 3?
On the right-hand lane, we have entry 94. 94 is Kyle Whitehead in a 1977 Skylark. And entry 119 is Michelle from Klamath, Oregon, a 1964 Falcon Futura.
right, here is the final round of your junior street shootout. And guess what? It's an all-girl final. I don't have Victoria's last name on me, but Victoria in the left lane with the hatchback Fox body. And that's Molly Allsup in the right lane with the notchback Fox. The tree will be split, handicap start. Their dial-ins are based on the indexes they set yesterday for themselves. I believe they're pretty close though. Pacing her, Victoria for the win. Victoria is your junior street bracket race shootout winner. Good job, girls.
Well, there was a bad, not really an oil down, but the diesel Chevelle, I believe is what it was, or in one of the diesel trucks, sprayed diesel all down the track. So, fastest guy in Washington. But yeah, he sprayed diesel all the way down, and we're trying to get out of here by 3, and there's just no way to get that done. So everybody's switching back over to drive mode, and we're gonna be doing 2 passes at Woodburn for 2 time slips. So everybody's gonna be swapping back over, and we're all gonna be on the road. So now to swap back over. Scheduled pit stop number 1 for day 2. At least this time it wasn't my fault. My problem. Mustang's over there, still running. Someone forgot to not turn off their battery disconnect and killed the battery in the parking lot. So, not to make fun of Lane's misery. This guy right here, instead of buying a battery, he bought a quart of oil. So,
same thing.
Like, it's same, but not to make fun of his misery. This time, thankfully, it was not me. So, here we are, hanging out, enjoying the shade. The one time Lane's dad drives, battery dies.